One of the best parts of Valentine's Day can be the drinks. Chef Cindi Avila joins us with some fun ideas to make your lovely day even lovelier. And I've got an empty glass here.
We got to fill it up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I love the Valentine's touch. And I know you've got some great Valentine's
Day
drinks.
is a good day to enjoy a beverage and feel okay about it. It's a day for celebration, and I say get it started early in the morning.
I'm not going to argue
Valentine's Day is on a weekday this year. However,
you take it off.
Doesn't mean you can't start the day with a nice Bloody Mary.
Okay, and what makes this Bloody Mary stand out?
So this Bloody Mary is so great because it's made with Nemiroff vodka. It's new to the U.S. market. It's from the Ukraine, priced at $17.99. It's a fantastic choice for entertaining, and you won't be disappointed with the quality. It's actually won more than 60 medals and is this month's Best Buy by Wine Enthusiast magazine. And that the Nemiroff Bloody Mary is just great also to put on like a breakfast in bed tray or to hand your honey as they're walking out the door, and that's nemiroff.vodka. And make sure with your Bloody Mary, the garnishes are really important. So you always want to have celery, olives, or whatever they love. I know some people like to put bacon in their Bloody Mary.
That's the thing.
You know, spice it up. Or you can even have a garnish bar if you're having a little gathering. You know, have all the garnishes out. It's fun. I love those make your own Bloody Mary bars.
Yeah.
Have some extra horseradish for people that like it spicy. So.
Well, the thing we were talking about Valentine's Day is I love all the cuteness, like the little hearts that you've got, the heart glasses.
Yep.
And something kind of goes along with cuteness. You know, sometimes your decorations are your wine bottles.
Exactly. I love these bottles. It's one of the reasons I brought them. It's mixed Sinner. You can pop it open over a romantic dinner. It's a semi-sweet red wine blend, so it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's the newest addition to Mix's great line of sangrias and Moscato. And singer Nicki Minaj created Mix to start a revolution in the way we drink, and Sinner does just that. It offers the ultimate temptation. It's soft and elegant, yet bursting with rich fruit flavors. It has hints of raspberry and black currants with a finish that is long and lingering and memorable for a memorable night.
I'm loving Cindi doing this. She's describing these very nicely.
And like you said, it is a work of art. So it's like it's a conversation piece. And check out mixfusions.com to find out where you can get that. And I really think that your loved one's going to love it, and that's myxfusions.com.
Well, another conversation piece is always different kinds of wines, different kinds of champagnes. You're kind of bringing the collection over here.
So here you can go pick whatever for your sweetheart at marthastewartwine.com. She actually curates each and every wine herself. She tastes them all and puts them on the website. And can you imagine knowing your product is approved by Martha Stewart? It's a great thing to know that she's endorsed it, and again, a nice thing for conversation. So when you give it to, your loved one, you can let her know that Martha Stewart personally picked it out.
I'll say, if it's good enough for Martha Stewart, it is good enough for me. Remember that to my husband, right?
And that's marthastewartwine.com.
And then, finally, I'm very interested in this. I saw you pour this one out before we started.
So I, in general, am a Bailey's fan. I love, and I just like Bailey's over ice. This is Bailey's Strawberries and Cream. It's a decadent new offering that combines ripe strawberry flavor with creamy, delicious taste of Bailey's. And it comes, again, in a really fun bottle, this fun pink and red bottle, and it's just in time for Valentine's Day. Bailey's Strawberries and Cream will enhance your desserts and cocktails. It's a new limited edition flavor, so it's the perfect way to upgrade your Valentine's Day desserts also. You can kind of drizzle it over some strawberry shortcake if you want some spiked desserts also.
That idea.
Or you can put it in mixed drinks, serve over ice, and it's just about $25 a bottle, and that's Baileys.com.
Good stuff. I mean, these can work as gifts.
Yes.
That's what I kind of like about Valentine's Day. If you just want to do something small, any of these can work in gifts. And again, now that I've got a cup that actually has liquid in it, cheers to you.
Give it a taste.
Cheers to Valentine's Day.
I love this. And this can be like, you can have it as a drink, a dessert. The Moscatos too. The Moscatos are, if you like sweet, white Moscatos.
Perfect for, and really quick though, where's your website?
My website is nomeatnoproblem.com, and my Instagram is @ChefCindi, CINDI.
Go there for even more ideas. Happy Valentine's Day.